Enhanced Tracking Protection is a built-in privacy feature in Firefox that blocks trackers and scripts that are used to track your online activity. There are 3 levels of ETP: Standard, Strict, and Custom. Strict ETP is the most protective level of ETP, and it blocks the widest range of trackers and scripts. Click the 3 lines in the top right corner of the window. Select Settings. Click the Privacy and Security tab. Under Enhanced Tracking Protection, select Strict. Protects your privacy. Strict ETP helps to protect your privacy by blocking trackers and scripts that are used to track your online activity. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments below. Give it a like up and subscribe to my channel for more content.